Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Swedgy Stock Express. Today we will discuss the recent results of Angel One. So what does Angel One do? It is a diversified financial service company engaged in the business of brokerage of commodity, equity, distribution of mutual fund, depository services, providing margin trading facilities, etc. The results were blockbuster. Their share in India's Demat account is 15.7%, increased by 44 bps point. Their share is India's incremental Demat account, which means the new accounts which are added in Q2 FY25 was around 21.1%. Now let's look into the revenue and PAT figures. The revenue grew by 44% to 1516 crore. The growth has slowed down a bit. It was around 74% in last quarter and around 64% in Q4 of FY24. So growth has become a bit flattening, but still it's above 40%, a good growth figure. The PAT grew by 39% to 423 crore. The company has been trying to diversify. Its brokerage, which used to contribute around 69%, is now 62% of the business, while rest, which used to be around 20%, is now around 29%. Especially the interest part has grown from 17% to 24%. Overall, the company is scaling up the non-broking business part. In Q2, the employee and ESOP cost was higher. This was on account of boarding a lot of new talents. This forbodes well a company who wants to grow and wants to capture the market will have to hire new clients, have to hire new employees, have to venture into new territories. So it's kind of part of the business. The market share across all segments has grown. The FNO market share grew to 20.7%, up by 34 basis points quarter on quarter. The overall equity market share went up to 19.3%, an increment of 42 basis points. Another aspect of Angel One business is that they are growing much more in Q1 and in Tier 2, Tier 3 and beyond cities. 89% of the new gross client addition has come from Tier 2 and beyond cities. Now let's look into the new businesses in which they have ventured. They have launched distribution of unsecured personal loan. As per presentation, there is no credit risk and they have done a cumulative distribution of 360 crore till now. They also revised their brokerage to mitigate the impact from the regulation changes in FNO segment. Along with that, they achieved go live on distribution of FD product. Now the client can go buy FD as off the shelf product without opening a new account. They are doing this for South Indian banks, Suryodaya small bank and some other places. Overall, the results are solid, but we have to look into the con call. Con call can be much significant as management will guide us or inform us about the impact of future and option regulation and rule changes. The wealth management and business and this brokerage business has been doing very well in this bull market. They have been growing north of 40%, sometimes even 60-70% in last few quarters. We have to follow and track the business to see what are the management guidance for the upcoming quarters and what are the difficulties or the risk which they will face. Thank you friend for watching my video. Follow, like and subscribe for more such insight.